Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we will learn about the variegated leaves, what they are, how they look, and why they are used in the photosynthesis experiment. So stay tuned for the next few minutes. This is going to be simple, short, and super clear. So a variegated leaf is a type of leaf that has green and non-green patches. Okay, you can look in this picture also. This is the picture, right? And you can see that there are green parts and there are yellow parts. Both type of parts you can see. These are the patches of different colors that can be seen in this type of leaves only. Okay, and these green parts only contain the chlorophyll, and the non-green part, they lack the chlorophyll. They bear different types of pigments, other kind of pigments, and sometimes they also lack the pigment. If they don't have any kind of pigment, then they will be white like this only. Okay, you can look in this picture. There is a white part and there are green part. So I am erasing this one. You just look in this picture that there are green part and there is yellow white part or yellow part, whatever it is, the other than the green color, right? So you can see, so a variegated leaf is a leaf which contains a non-green part and a green part. Non-green part is lacking the chlorophyll and the green part contains the chlorophyll. Okay, so now we will understand about some examples of variegated leaf. That can be croton, that can be money plant, that can be Coleus, that can be variegated geranium. Okay, you can easily notice this kind of plants in your garden. You can see that this kind of plants actually have a non-green part and some others have a green part, dark green part. Like you can see in this picture. Here it is a dark green part and it is non-green part, that is white in color. Right? So now we will understand why this leaf is getting used during the photosynthesis experiment. Okay? Because we know that in a leaf where the chlorophyll pigment is present, there only the photosynthesis will occur. Yes or no? Because chlorophyll actually, what will they do? They will absorb the light energy, that is the photon particle, and then only they will produce the glucose. And if there is no chlorophyll, that then what will happen? These photon particles or this light energy will not be absorbed by the leaf, and then glucose formation or photosynthesis will not take place. So that is why we are taking this variegated leaf, because we know that they have non-green part and they have green part. This green part they have chlorophylls and this non-green part they do not bear chlorophylls. So we will take a plant which has this kind of leaves and we will keep it in dark for like 24 to 48 hours. After this 2 days, 1 or 2 days, we will keep this plant in direct sunlight for few hours. Then we will take one leaf from that plant and we will boil the leaf for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, why we are boiling? To break the cell wall. Okay, to break the cell wall, because we know that the cell wall is a like tough coating, a tough layer, okay, which is protecting the leaf. So we have to break it down. So that is why we are boiling the leaf. Then we will put it in the alcohol. Whenever we will do this, what will happen? The leaf will be discolored. Okay, and then what we will do? We will add some iodine solution. Okay, and then we will observe that the green part of the plant will turn blue black. Why they will turn? Because in the green part only the starch production has happened. The starch is there, and whenever starch is reacting with the iodine solution, they give this bluish black color. So green part produces the starch, and because of the starch, whenever it is coming in contact with iodine, it is forming this color, bluish black color. And the non-green part, they lack the starch. That is why they will become colorless only. They will stay colorless only. Okay, so this is how we can confirm that without chlorophyll, there is no starch production. Okay, so that is why variegated leaf is very much important. So what we have to understand, that variegated leaf has both this non-green part and the green part. Okay, and they are they're staying in patches in the leaf. Only green part contains the chlorophyll pigment, non-green part lacks the chlorophyll pigment. Okay, and thereby we can conclude that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis process. Okay, I hope that this video is helpful for you. So stay tuned and keep watching the videos. Thank you.